mind, and spirit work together, we excel.
Unity is not always visible. It begins unseen in the silent promise we make to ourselves.
The promise to be true,
To act with intent.
to live what we believe. This is unity.
Not just a connection of people, but the harmony of the heart, mind, and spirit.
Unity helps us walk together, but sometimes life forces us to stand alone.
And that's when courage steps in, quiet, steady, and real.
In school and in life, we are taught not just to succeed, but to try again.
To speak up, to step forward, and to stand strong.
Watch now how courage is built moment by moment in our school as we step into the third dot, courage.
What do you understand by courage? Do you think the school teaches you to be courageous?
At STANES school, we are taught to be courageous in adversity, to have faith and never to lose hope.
We are also taught to have the courage to accept our faults and mistakes and try to correct them.
We learn to be courageous and stand for what is right, even if it entails a setback.
In a quiet hall of colors and dreams, young artists brought together their imagination to life. Each canvas a story, each brushstroke a whisper from the heart.
Good evening everyone and welcome to our school art gallery. Today, our young artists will take you on a powerful journey through colors and canvas. Each of them has created a painting inspired by the theme pain, courage and hope. Let's see what stories they have to tell.
I have painted a vibrant lion. Its fiery mane blazes with colors, symbolizing strength and inner power. With raw courage, the lion roars boldly into the sky.
To me, this lion's message comes clear. Stand out, speak aloud, and be seen.
In my masterpiece, the path ahead looks impossible. The deafening silence is interrupted by a whisper. Turn back, but courage emboldens the man to lift his head, straighten his back, and walk.
And that's all she needs to dart into the unknown, to discover.
Look at my painting, madam. An eagle soars powerfully above the flames, unburnt and unshaken. Within her grip are the golden keys that will unlock new paths.
Yes, courage is choosing to rise anyway, to spread our wings even when it's hard.
My artwork is a picture of a lady. Her stillness radiates power. Her calm hides the storm she has conquered. The leopard behind her is the symbol of courage she carries.
May I add to your description? The bright flowers around her form show the fact that true power blooms in peace.
Oh, how should I start? The desert around this determined woman may be harsh. However, they cannot dampen her spirit. With every step in the ladder of persistence, she proves that hope is stronger than fear.
We must always remember that courage is not in speed, but in never stopping the climb.
My painting, it's broken. I worked so hard. This was a mother holding her child during a bombing. She was protecting him, just like how my mom hugs me when I'm scared. But who did this? Why?
Oh dear, this canvas may be broken, but your message, it still speaks. And that's what truly matters. Sometimes, even in brokenness, beauty remains. And that's true for our soul too. All it takes is courage to reveal your heart's cry.
Marriott, I broke your painting. I didn't mean to. I saw how much it meant to you. I'm truly sorry. I'll try to make it right.
It's messed up, but I'm not giving up. I'll start over if I have to.
Courage doesn't always shout, it whispers, try again. In the silence of failure, something stirs. The heart dares to rise. The soul begins to paint once more. Courage lies not in perfection, but in rising again.
We've got to burn the ships, cut the ties, send a flare into the night. Say a prayer, turn the tide, dry your tears and wave goodbye. Step into a new day. We can rise up from the dust and walk away. We can dance upon a heartache, yeah. So light a match, leave the past, burn the ships, and don't you look back. Don't let it arrest you. This fear of falling again. And if you need a refuge, I will be right here until the end. Oh, it's time to burn the ships, cut the ties, send a flare into the night. Say a prayer, turn the tide, dry your tears and wave goodbye. Step into a new day. We can rise up from the dust and walk away. We can dance upon the heartache, yeah. So light a match, leave the past, burn the ships, and don't you look back.
Losing friends and I'm chasing sleep. Everybody's worried about me. In too deep, say I'm in too deep. It's been 2 years, I miss my home. There's a fire burning in my bones. Still believe, yeah, I still believe. And all of those things I didn't say, wrecking balls inside my brain. I will scream, I'm loud tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song. My power's turned on. Starting right now, I'll be strong. I'll play my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else believes. 'Cause I've still got a lot of fight left in me. A lot of fight left in me.
In a blink, dreams can fall. Do not let one mistake steal your spirit. Even the greatest artists have faced broken moments, and sometimes a broken canvas holds the bravest story. So, we reiterate shine and shine fierce. invite you into a world where color meets courage. As the students lift their brushes, they honor the ones who stood tall when the world tried to silence them. It is a tribute to courage.
Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, guess we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, cause we can see it. It's to the one that keep the passion, respect, oh yeah. It's to the one that can imagine, respect, oh yeah. Gather round now, look at me. Respect and love the only way. If you wanna come, come with me. The door is open every day. This 1+2 rendezvous, all invited. This what we do, how we do. Look who we are the dreamers. We make it happen, guess we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers. We make it happen, cause we can see it. It's to the one that keep the passion, respect, oh yeah. It's to the one that can imagine, respect, oh yeah. نحلم إن يكون العالم أحلى ونعيش بحب ونتجمع ونخلي صوتنا يملى هالدنيا حب ونتكاتف نرفع وتفرق ونتعاون نصنع ونحقق وما نستسلم نتحدى ونتجاوز كل شدة ونغني بمودة. Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, guess we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, cause we can see it. It's to the one that keep the passion, respect, oh yeah. It's to the one that can imagine, respect, oh yeah. We are the dreamers, we make it happen, guess we believe it.